Today we will try to learn how to create cost center wise budget. For this we took an example. You can check the example in our description link. So for this we have to make a changes in features. So press F11 on your keyboard, then select the company, budget and control. You can see all the features are showing here. Now if this enable cost center is not yes, then made it yes. The only change the enable cost center yes, and press Ctrl A for save. Then come here, gateway of tally, then go with create. Now we will create cost category and cost center. For this go with create and then go with cost categories. You can see we can't see any cost category, so we will go with show more and we will select cost cost category. We find the cost category. Now go with create new. We will create a new cost category which is named product line. Then allocate revenue items, made it yes, and allocate non-revenue items, made it no. Please enter, accept yes. The cost categorization is complete. Now come here again, go gateway of tally, then go with create. Now we will create cost center. So go with cost center. Cost center name is, first we will select the category which is product line. We just made this product line, and now we will put the name of cost center which is soft toys. And the under will be primary, accept yes. We created the cost center and cost category. Now we will create ledgers with active cost center. For this come here, gateway of tally, then go with create, then select ledger, then press F12 on keyboard. Then set apply cost center for ledger as yes. Cost center for ledger, apply cost center for ledger, made it yes, and write general expenses, and you can select it from here, Ctrl A, and write the name which is general expenses. General expenses. It will be under indirect expenses. It will be under indirect expenses. Type of ledger not applicable. Cost centers are applicable yes, and nothing to change. Save the screen, press Ctrl A, the screen is saved. Similarly, we will create another ledger named salesman commission. So put the name salesman commission. Sorry. Salesman commission. It will also under indirect expenses, so nothing to change. Press Ctrl A for save the screen. The screen is saved. Now come here, gateway of tally, then go with create, then again go with ledger. Now write sale under sales account. Sale, we will write the sale. It will be under sales account. It will be not applicable, and so cost center are applicable yes, and save the screen. Ctrl A. We save the screen. In our next steps, we will try to learn create budget of cost center with balances and pass accounting vouchers entries. So this is for today.